going on, guys? Just took the second trade of my Express account and another loss. Your boy is not feeling it. Your boy is not feeling it. This trade I'm very low key, very embarrassed about. So let's go over this real quick. I'm in like a cafe sort of spot right now too, so sorry for any background noise. But let's go over what we saw today. So again, similar bias from yesterday. The 4 hour was extremely bad conditions, choppy. But we do retrace into this imbalance, and I expect us to displace higher, taking out this high, and eventually that high. Pre-market, we see price come and sweep out these pre-market lows right here, and we displace higher, breaking structure here, and wicking above these highs, right? And then when we get on the 5 minute, we get we get a liquidity sweep, breaking structure here, forming an imbalance. So what I wanted to do was use this imbalance to take us lower, right? But if you look at the chart and use your higher time frame, like shorts were definitely not the play here, and I knew this coming in. I had this range set out, and I wanted to use this imbalance to take me higher, right? So I wanted to see price retrace down and from this imbalance come up here. I wanted to see price do that, but on the 5 minute we completely inverse that 15-minute gap, kind of indicating to me that we are bearish, and maybe we just swept this liquidity to then sweep this new low and these pre-market lows, or these lows from yesterday. And look, oh my gosh, dude, what is happening, bro? What is happening? What is happening to price, dude? What the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, this is honestly the worst time to be trading. It is super. Like, look at this. Gosh darn it, man. But going over my trade, I have this imbalance mapped out. I see price tap in right here, and we get a change in state delivery right here. So what do? I enter short on that candle close. Boom, stop above that high. Take profit right here, but I was going to go to break even after this low right here. But as you guys see, the market is just moving mad. Yeah, kind of embarrassed with this trade because on the 15-minute, we are bullish, and I have way more bullish targets than I do bearish in the overall move. Pre-market and yesterday was bullish. We sweep these lows perfectly, break structure. I shouldn't have flipped my trade I did to bearish until we got another break of structure to the downside. But as you guys see, we're just clusterfucking here. Again, one trade a day. I'm done for the day. Lost 420. Balance at negative 600, but I'm one win away from being break even, so I'm not really too upset. I still have 2 more shots. I have 3 more shots before I blow the account. So now I have to be really careful of the trades I take. Can't be fucking up now, but yeah, I don't know really what to say, you know? I definitely feel a difference in emotions. I'm way more um, hungry for the win. I'm way more like impatient trying to get the payout. Like I feel my emotions kind of ruling my head. I really wanted to win. I simply just want the dopamine from making money and then being able to say that I'm gonna withdraw this money. But you can't trade like that, boys. I'll show you guys executions right here. You see I sell on this candle. Stop loss 2 minutes later. Yeah, it just took 7 micros. Yeah, I wanted to see us react off this fair value gap, which we did. We got a change to state delivery. Let's see maybe on some other time frames. I mean, obviously I would like to see a more impulsive candle to break structure in the 1 minute, but I don't know, sometimes these trades like work out like that, you know? And I wouldn't be surprised to see price honestly do come out and take this low, which I would be very salty about because that's where my trade was heading. Oh my gosh, it looks like we are going to move down here. But yeah, everything seemed good. We were in a premium of the move. We hit equilibrium. We broke structure. The only other trade I could see here is maybe wait for price to enter into a deeper premium, hit this for value up here on the 1 minute, and then boom, an inverse right here. That's another trade I see. The only other one I see is boom, we break structure in the 1 minute, and then we inverse. So I can enter right here, stop loss up here, TP right here, that would have hit, or TP down here. But again, I don't think I would take this simply because I want to see price break structure on the 1 minute, and just because we inverse this most recent for value gap doesn't mean we're bearish on the 1 minute by any means. So it'd be very premature if I enter there. That's why I like to see choppy bullish price action. I like to see a pretty convincing move down. What I didn't see with this play was that convincing move down. We're very choppy coming down here, but I just wanted to get involved, you know. And we technically did have a candle closure below the open, that last down close candle. So I don't know. Pretty quick stop. Self-sabotage. I pretty much had a feeling I was going to lose today for some reason. Very upsetting. When price is moving like this, boys, stay out of it, please, for my sake. Yeah, we're just in a very rangy market right now. That's all I have to say. Like, look at this on the hourly. Like, what are we doing here, boys? What the hell are we doing here? Like, what are we doing here? Take out all the drawings. What the fuck are we doing here? What the fuck is this, bro? Why am I even trading in this? Why am I trading in this? Please tell me. Someone enlighten me on why I'm so stupid that I would think I can, you know what I mean, take a trade with any sort of edge in this kind of condition. Please let me know, because this is stupid. This is stupid. Look at price. We're fucking just in a butt fuck. We're in a clusterfuck of price. Sorry for the foul language if there's any minors watching this video, but dude, if you're a minor, please save yourself the stress and the headache of trying to become a trader. Any profit you've seen, try to erase that from your mind, because this will fucking kill you, brother. Jesus. Why am I trading with this fucking price? Like, dude, looking at this chart, where do we want to go? We don't know where the fucking price was to go. But it takes such extreme amounts of discipline to log on, right? Because we love trading. That's the thing, we love it. We love the losses and we love the wins, whether you want to admit it or not. But imagine if you were that good where you can log on in the morning, look at the chart on the hourly and be like, nah, I'm not taking a trade today, and then go move on with your day. That is the superpower that separates unprofitable motherfuckers from profitable motherfuckers. If I had the power to come on, look at the chart on the hourly, look at this shit, and be like, yeah, not for me, dog. Maybe tomorrow a little cleaner for me. Then, yeah, you know? Then, yeah. Then I would deserve to be profitable. But me making decisions like I made today to take a stupid-ass trade in here, just stupid, bro. Yeah, I have no idea where price wants to go. To me, it looks like we want to take out these highs. One there. One here we took out. So yeah. This high. It looks like we want to go higher. But is price showing me we want to go higher? It was in the morning on the 15-minute. This move looked clean. But of course, I see one 5-minute gap get printed, and I just get so excited that I just ignore my higher time frame point of view, and I get so excited to make money. I take some shitty 1-minute break of structure out of some random 5-minute gap. Bro, who cares about this 5-minute gap? Because we're bullish. We're freaking bullish. You know, look at what we did to that gap. We ran through it with ease. Ease, brother, ease. Alright. That'll do it for today. We're definitely, in the next couple of days, going to be taking out these highs. I'll put money on it. Hopefully I can get involved tomorrow if any opportunity presents itself, but today we fucked up, dude. We fucked up. And that's okay. I take full responsibility. I pressed the button. No one made me press this button. I saw a 5-minute gap, got excited, took a trade out of it with no hard time from context. Like, why would price be going down? Where are we going to go down? Like, what the hell was I thinking, bro? Look at how bullish this 15-minute move is. For me to be bearish, I would need to break this structure point. Come on. I just got super excited, man. Rushed a shitty trade. But again, I don't know. You guys tell me, like, we sweep liquidity here. We sweep liquidity here. And then we get a 15-minute inverse on that imbalance and a 5-minute break of structure, creating displacement. So I don't know, man. It goes both ways. It goes because this is pretty similar to the exact thing that happened yesterday. Right? We come out, we sweep some of liquidity, but you see the difference? We actually broke structure. Yeah, so we came down and we actually moved past this low. We made a lower low. On today's move, we didn't make a lower low. We just filled in this imbalance. But in my head, I was like, oh, we moved with such vigorous intensity. Like, look at this 1-minute move. This 1-minute move was very, very quick and had a lot of momentum. So I thought the trend was now bearish. But I was wrong. The boy was wrong. Look, we just possibly made SMT here. Nope. But it looks like we are going bearish because we just made a lower high. let's go on NQ and see if anything's different. On NQ, we still haven't even inversed this bearish gap. I still would have lost a trade though. Ooh, on NQ we didn't even get a candle closure, buddy. I should have stuck on NQ, man. Fuck. On NQ, I didn't even have an entry signal because I needed a candle closure below this low. And I'm looking on NQ, no candle closure. Wick. Wow, dude. Wow. So close yet so far. So close. What are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? I had 2 plans on NQ. I wanted long out of this gap, same with ES, and also look for longs out of this order block right here. But price never reached the order block, so I didn't really feel confident going long. But yeah, this play might even work out, to be honest. That's the funny thing, because we are holding this imbalance on the 5 minute on NQ. Wow, dude. Because we sweep. It's not a bad setup, low-key, because we sweep this high, right? Even though we have other low resistance highs up here, we sweep and then we disrespect this huge 15-minute gap. If we were truly bullish, very bullish, would we not respect the gap? And would we not continue higher right away? Would we not also close with a candle body closure above this high instead of wicking with that? Like, it goes both ways. Your bias is very, very 50-50. But yeah, we didn't even get entry on this pair, so it was just very unfortunate. I was looking at ES at the time and kind of just got excited. Still no entry really on the 1 minute, and to go short here I would need a big fat black candle, a BDC type of candle. Oh, I'm just yapping now, dude. That'll do it for today. I have class in 9 minutes actually, so I gotta go, but thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you tomorrow.